Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Teacher Appreciation Week coming up. I don't know if it's the same week in the whole country, but here it is coming up the week of May 7th. I wasn't actually going to do a video on this year, but I've gotten a lot of people message me, particularly on Instagram, and ask me to kind of share in depth of what I am gifting or giving this year for teacher appreciation. So one thing I will say is, for those who are new to my channel, or maybe you're just watching this particular video because you're just interested in teacher appreciation ideas, we recently moved from South Carolina back to New York. So my son just started a new school about 1 month ago. Normally I probably might do just a little bit more than this, but only because he has only been at this school for a month. I really don't know the teachers that well yet as far as having a relationship with them. So that's the only reason when I say I might do a little more. I don't mean taking anything away from them. I just don't know them on a personal level like I knew his previous teachers. I hope that makes sense. My son is a special needs child, so he is in a special needs class for about half the day. So that class has a main, like, head teacher, and there are also 4 teacher aides or assistants, depending what you want to call them, in that class. So I feel, just my personal opinion, I always give a gift to the main teacher, and then I always get a little something for the assistants and the aides, just because they all work really hard. So for his main teacher, I'm giving her this body scrub right here. It's like a sugar scrub. It's a honey cocoa sugar scrub from Bath & Body Works. I actually just grabbed this right out of my gift closet. And then I'm also giving her a little antibacterial from Bath & Body Works, as well as a small travel size, like handbag size, little lotion of the body lotion in 1,000 Wishes. I got her a regular greeting card to say thank you, and we wrote a little note inside, and Grady signed it. And then I also got her a Target gift card. So I'm actually going to put all of this in one of these little cello bags. I talk about these all the time. They're from Bath & Body Works. And then I'm going to put everything in there and then put it in this, like, zigzag chevron-y bag. I picked up this 4-pack at Target of these little ice cream print bags, which I thought were really cute. Again, they came in this 4-pack, and they were $2.50 for all 4 of them. So I'm going to use those for his teacher's aides or assistants gifts. So I've got 4 thank you cards for each, one for each assistant. And in each thank you card, I put a Starbucks gift card inside each thank you card. I also got each teacher's aide a $5 just scratch off ticket just for something fun. I'm actually going to fold these in half because they're actually bigger than the card, if you can see. So I'm actually going to fold these in half and pop them right in the card along with the gift cards. And then I'm going to give each aide a lip smacker. I recently discovered these. I actually have this one. It's the Eucalyptus Mint. It's very, very good. Very good lip balm. I liked it so much that I actually went out and got one for each aide. So I got a strawberry, a Eucalyptus Mint, a grapefruit, and then a super fruit one. So each aide will get a lip smacker, a scratch off, an antibacterial gel, and then I also grabbed, I have a whole bunch of these little notepad things. I buy them all the time at the dollar spot or the dollar store. So I just picked 4. I must have like 20 of them out of my gift closet that I'm just going to randomly pop in to one of these cello bags and then into the ice cream print bag. So I've just got this little pineapple printed little notebook. I grabbed this at the Target dollar spot a while back. And then I've got this magnetic list pad, which I think this is from either Walmart or the Dollar Tree. I can't remember, guys, but I get these all the time. And this one's magnetic with just little days of the week to write some notes. This is from the Target dollar spot, this little list pad here. And then this little notebook, also from the dollar spot at Target. So I'm just going to assemble these, show you guys what they look like when they're all set up in the bags. But yes, I love sharing gift ideas. I'm a huge gifter. I try to gift to all my friends and family, teachers, that kind of thing, as much as I possibly can. Since I'm not somebody who bakes, I'm not somebody who crafts, I've never been a good baker or a good crafter, so my kind of love language is finding little gifty things that I can put together since I'm not talented in the baking and crafting, and just kind of making people feel special any opportunity that I can. So I'm going to go ahead and put these together and I'll show you what they all look like assembled. Alright guys, so I have them all set up the way I talked about. So his main teacher, I just used a different bag because the other ones, like I said, came in a 4-pack and I needed 5. So I just put all of her goodies in the cello bag. So the anti-bac, the honey sugar scrub, the little lotion, and then her card is in the back. I just threw a little bit of chocolates in there. And then just tied it with a ribbon, and it actually, all the bags fit perfectly in these little bags. I love these this size bag from Target. They're perfect. And then all the assistants, or the aides, have the little ice cream bag, and then all their little treats fit perfectly. So each one has the card in the back with the little notebook and the lip smacker and the anti-bac. Just perfectly fits in here, just like that. So they're all ready to be dropped off. And then there's the main teacher. And most of all, guys, this video is just for ideas. If you are somebody that can bake, I highly recommend baking. If I knew how to bake and I could bake well, I would definitely take that route. I personally love baked goods. These are just what I'm giving. You know, any ideas that you guys can think of, even just a simple card that your child can sign their name or write a little message. Could be anything from candy to just maybe a scratch off or a gift card or any little you know, treats that you want. You could do crafts with your kids and put those in little bags. Really, sky is the limit. I've always said in every teacher gifting video, I just have so much respect for teachers. I could never do their job. I think they're underpaid, underappreciated, and any opportunity I get the chance to appreciate them and show them how much, you know, I'm thankful that my child is in good hands. I can't tell you enough how much I have respect for them. So if you are a teacher, thank you so much for what you do. It does not go unnoticed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you, you know, some kind of idea for a teacher appreciation treat for your kids, teachers. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.